our guests, visitors, parents, teachers, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Allow me now to speak not as the valedictorian, but as the representative of Miguel Apos Memorial Elementary School graduates, batch 2013. Receiving honors and singing colors live is only an icing to the cake we have baked meaningfully and well. After all the work we have done, we finally reached the summit, where we crown our efforts and thank the people who gave us part of inspiration along the way. Life is a matter of choice. True, that we never chose our parents. Their parents never chose us. Someone up there made the decision for us. It wasn't by chance. It was God's choice. His significant plan. Dearest parents, with full sincerity, we thank you for your relentless love. We apologize for the times when we talked back, the times we demanded too much, sightless to how hard you have been working for us, the times we lied because we couldn't openly and directly explain what was going on. However, we deeply thank you for being with us despite of all those I've mentioned and have failed to mention. We thank you for all of your emotional comfort, financial support, spiritual guidance, and for choosing to be here with us on this glorious occasion. We're all proud of you. A great deal of gratitude goes to our teachers who share their expertise in various fields. Thank you for opening our eyes to the world and making us aware of our responsibilities and skills. For the time when you went beyond what was asked for the curriculum and what was written in the lesson plan. For the time when you shared your personal experiences, hoping that we wouldn't learn them the hard way. Thank you. These extra little things from your efforts, which have accumulated through time, are the things which shape the growth of our destiny. Always be proud of your work, that your craft is the education of our nation's hope. Masat graduates, as your companion, I am witness to how you have grown as you develop your talents and skills. Together we learned, bonded, and sometimes competed. We have shared the love of our schoolwork, the story of our lives, and even our mischievous, childish, foolish actions. We cannot deny that there had been arguments. Despite all this, we have learned how to handle ourselves, how to manage stress, giving us the opportunity to become a responsible and mature person. Disease, comfort, defect, danger, defeat, despair. These are the sum of the harsh realities humanity is always up against. They are a part of life, inevitable, attached, and constant. We will realize that God sent them not to crush us, not to corrupt our character, not to jeopardize our relationship, not to prevent us from being people we are called and sent to be. If we ask courage from God, God doesn't give us courage. Instead, God gives us a chance to be courageous. God is sending trials as opportunities to exercise and give muscles to our value. And it's worth recognizing that most of our personal growth is attributed to these difficulties. The next step is to level up and make the progress national, if not universal. There will be a wide horizon waiting for us. Surely we'll meet Miguel Apos Memorial Elementary School. And more than that, we will meet the people we used to see, talk, and laugh out loud with. It had always been God's plan, and He had always been designed to move on and continue our journey to fulfill our dreams. To God be